Jiaxing Shunguang Mechanical Equipment Company Limited, Jiaxing Shuntian Machinery Company Limited, is a professional jack factory. Established in February 2004, it has more than 15 years' experience in design, development, and manufacture of all types of the hydraulic jacks. And it is one of the largest bottle jack factory in Zhejiang Province. Our factory has passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and BSCI certification. The annual production capacity of jack is 1.5 million pieces. 5,000 pieces per day. We have abundant technical force and perfect equipment for production and monitoring, including 3 cleaning machines, 4 assembly lines, 2 spray painting lines, 2 packing lines, and 12 pieces tester machines. We have high-quality demand on the material and the production process. All spare parts are checked and cleared carefully before jack assembly, and each jack is tested after jack is assembled. We have advanced painting technology with automatic painting equipment. It has made the product look nice. Quality is one factory's life. We test the product several times to ensure the quality. Our products have got TUV, GS, CE certifications, and some of the products' quality meets the US ASME, the Australia's AS, and etc. Our products are exported to all around the world. The main markets are USA and Europe. Our company will continue to provide the best services to our customers, keep on innovation, focus on quality, and be a responsible supplier. Our company is located at the beautiful Jiaxing City, next to Shanghai City. It is only about 1 hour away from Shanghai.